Start by testing the simplest fixes yourself before calling for professional help. When you face a plumbing problem, start with a clear diagnostic sequence and work methodically. Shut off the water supply to the affected fixture to prevent escalation, and then recreate the issue to confirm where the blockage or leak originates. Use a plunger with a flange or a cup, depending on the fixture, and perform at least 30 to 40 firm plunges in repeated sets, letting water level recover between sets so pressure cycles can dislodge obstructions. If plunging fails, remove and inspect the trap beneath sinks using a bucket and gloves to catch debris and check for visible objects. This trap often contains hair, grease, or small items and is straightforward to clean. For clogs beyond the trap, use a hand auger or drain snake with slow, steady rotation and feel for resistance changes so you do not push objects farther in. Retrieve caught material incrementally. When working on pipes, wear eye protection and use enzyme-based drain cleaners for persistent organic buildup, but never mix chemical cleaners with mechanical methods to avoid dangerous reactions. Keep detailed notes of what you tried and the fixture behavior, so if you do call a professional, you can describe the sequence and save time and expense. The common mistake of calling for help too soon happens when people skip basic diagnostics. So take the time to identify whether the issue is localized or systemic by checking multiple fixtures and the main sewer cleanout. If it is isolated, continue methodical attempts, and if several fixtures are affected, you should contact a professional. Another frequent error is using excessive force or improper tools, which can damage seals or pipes. So use the right-sized plunger or a hand auger and stop if you feel sharp resistance, then reassess. A third problem is mixing chemical cleaners with mechanical removal, which can cause harmful splashes and mask the true cause. So avoid combining methods and allow enzyme-based cleaners to work alone or use mechanical removal only after chemicals are fully flushed away. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical advice relevant to home repairs and independence. We provide a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share first-hand tips, troubleshooting steps, and realistic timelines to help you become more self-sufficient.